Peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl T. Yes, back again, laying down another video. Get your G&G hair growth butter if you want to grow your hair. Yes, today my client has been experiencing alopecia and hair loss. And she came in today to get her a beautiful style. Yes, I got her. I am going to hook her up. Unfortunately, alopecia and hair loss is on the rise. Yes, all nationalities are experiencing hair loss for one reason or another. There are many reasons for hair loss, and my client today is going to share her story as how her hair began to come out. So let's listen to her story and continue to watch. You've been wearing wigs. Years. For years? So how long have your hair been coming out? Did it just start coming out, or just little by little?
Out and then it would grow back. It would come out and then grow back. But the last time it did not.
So it would come out in spots or just in one area?
Just in the area in the top. It would come out.
Okay. So when it grew back, did you do something for it to grow back, or it just kind of just grew back on its own?
It started growing back on its own, conditioning and doing whatever. And then the last time I had my last child, it never did come back.
Oh, after you had your baby? So did it come out while you were pregnant?
No, it was after.
Oh, okay. Because I've had some clients who their hair came out like while they were pregnant, and then it didn't grow back like, you know, after they had the baby. It just still didn't grow back.
Yeah.
So yes, if you have a story or you know of someone who has lost hair while pregnant or after pregnancy, please share your stories, because sharing stories, it really does help others. Just to know that you're not alone while losing your hair can be a great uplift. So yes, as you can see here, I am massaging her hair and her scalp, giving her a deep hair and scalp massage with our G&G hair growth butter, and encouraging her to do the same as she has her protective style up. Yes, I am doing my new twist method. So yes, when I have clients who come in who have alopecia, hair loss, or thin hair, I try to come up with ways that I can do a braid style in their hair and reduce as much tension as possible, because their hair is very fragile, and I don't want to encourage any hair loss. I only want to encourage and promote hair growth. So yes, as you can see here, I am twisting. I am not braiding this whole braid down. I am twisting it. That will relieve any tension on these very fragile areas. When I get to the stronger part of her hair, I am going to finish off with a braid, because I don't want the twist to come down. And this is a protective style where she will be doing some brushing, and she will be using her hair growth butter in between. So I do want to make sure that the twist is secure. So I secure it by ending it with the braid. I begin with a small braid and I twist the majority of the areas where she has the hair loss, and then I end when I get to the more healthier parts of her hair, which is in the back. And at the same time, I am braiding very lightly, very gently, and I'm not doing any pulling at all, because again, we only want to promote hair growth. So please continue to watch, yes, how I do my new twist method. And stylists, if you are out there, please take note of this new twist method that we can start using with those clients who have hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, or even just hair damage, or even just healthy hair. Because this twist method, yes, relieves any tension on those very fragile hair follicles and hair shafts. Okay, family, so here I am going to be installing a mesh wig cap. Yes, this is a wig cap and a weave cap, but I am going to be using it as a crochet cap. Yes, as you can see here, it's really thin, it's light, but it is definitely durable, and that's what we want. I want it to be thin and light because I want her hair to still be able to breathe. I want her hair to still be ventilated, and that's what we need, ladies. Even though we are wearing our protective styles, we still want our hair to be able to breathe and get air and be well ventilated. So when you are using crochet caps, weave caps, make sure that they are thin, however still durable, so that they do last throughout the duration of your style. And that's what I'm doing here. I just installed the weave cap or the mesh cap, and I am sewing it down, and I'm sewing it down because I do not want it to move, slide, or shift. I want this cap to be sturdy because I am going to be using this cap to secure her crochets. Yes, I want to make sure that they are going to be stable and in place without moving. So voila, here it is. This is the magic piece to this whole entire style, and this is my patent pending 4x4 closure with the elastic band. Yes, ladies, I have a patent that is pending on this product. You will not see this product in stores and beauty supplies online. You can only order this online. Yes, ladies, this 4x4 closure, and I also have them in a frontal, which goes from ear to ear. So depending on your hair loss situation, your alopecia, or your thinning, you can get a closure, which is 4x4, or a frontal, which goes from ear to ear, which is a 13x4. This is super amazing. My 4x4 closure, you do not need any glue, ladies. This is not going to shift, slide, or move throughout the duration of this style. I am sewing it down, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to complete it so that no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss in the front, on the sides, or even at the top. Yes, ladies, oh my God, this method is amazing. It is going to look so natural, and it's going to give her versatility. That means she's going to be able to wear it in many different styles. Have you tried my elastic band method or my closure or my frontal? If you have not, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website, and you can get your order in today. Yes, look how natural this is going to look. This closure is secure. As you can see, I am pulling on it. You can see that it is secure. It is not going to slide, shift, or move. This method is amazing. So here are the bundles that I'm going to be using. I'm sorry, earlier I said a crochet style, but this is actually going to be a sew-in weave style. And look at this. It's going to be absolutely beautiful, ladies. Believe me, you will love my elastic band method. Again, you do not need any glue, and that's what we need to get away from, ladies, is using glue. It is taking our hair out, sometimes slowly and sometimes just very quickly. But it's not healthy for our hairs, and we need to come up with some alternatives to wearing beautiful styles, especially when we have some hair issues like alopecia, hair loss, thinning, bald spots, anything like that. You want your hair to be protected, but at the same time you want to wear beautiful styles. And with my patent pending closure and my frontal, you can do just that. So again, continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful style for my client. Again, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss anywhere in the front, on the sides, at the top. Everything is going to be completely covered. So again, continue to keep watching. You do not want to miss this next step. Again, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website, and there you can put your order in today for my elastic band closure as well as our hair growth products. Yes, I am not only about styling hair, but I am about growing hair. Yes, growing hair is my ultimate goal. Again, continue to keep watching so you do not miss any of these very essential steps. So yes, this style is coming out beautifully. Yes, look at these beautiful waves. And I am sewing on this elastic band that's on her edges. That is going to give her more fullness. It's going to give her more thickness in the front. And she will not, and I repeat, you will not be able to know that she has any hair loss at all. It's going to be nice and full. The density in the front is going to be fabulous. So yes, please continue to watch as I complete this beautiful style for my client. Again, look at this hair. I love working with my hair. It is nice and easy to work with. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't knot up at all. It doesn't do any shedding. As you can see, there is no shedding whatsoever with this hair. Yes, it is longevity hair and it will last. You can get your hair done over and over again using this same exact hair. No need to continue to buy hair every single time you get your hair done. There's no need for that if you have good quality hair. So again, continue to watch as I complete this beautiful style. Yes, I'm getting ready to close off her install, and just watch this completed style. And again, thank you so much for all your support on my channel. Thank you so much for coming. Please drop any comments and questions below. I love getting questions and comments. Thanks, and continue watching.
Peace and